Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea concentrate. First, gather your ingredients: quality tea, fresh water, and any desired sweeteners or flavorings. You'll need a pot for brewing, a fine mesh strainer, and a heat-proof container for the concentrate. This simple process allows you to enjoy delicious, homemade iced tea anytime. Let's get started with the brewing basics. To brew, use about 1/4 cup of loose tea or 8 tea bags for every 4 cups of water. Heat your water to just below boiling for black tea or cooler for green tea. Steep the tea for 10 to 15 minutes, much longer than a regular cup, to create a robust concentrate. This strong brew is key to a flavorful iced tea. Once brewed, remove the tea leaves or bags. While the concentrate is still warm, stir in your preferred sweetener, like sugar or honey, until it fully dissolves. This is also the perfect time to add natural flavorings such as fresh lemon slices, mint sprigs, or even a few peach slices. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking for a perfect balance. Allow your concentrate to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. When you're ready to enjoy, simply dilute 1 part concentrate with 1 to 2 parts cold water or ice, depending on your desired strength. It's a convenient way to have refreshing iced tea on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.